Hello and welcome. I'm Lynn Mares with Arrow Sewing, and today we're diving into the world of sewing tables and cabinets. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, having the right sewing setup can make all the difference in your crafting experience. We'll explore the features, benefits, and things to consider when choosing the right sewing table or cabinet for your needs.
A quality sewing table is more than just a flat surface, and definitely more than the dining room or kitchen table. It's the foundation of your sewing setup, providing comfort, convenience, and organization. A correct table can help reduce fatigue, improve your posture, and even give the quality of your work a boost. A sewing table has a flat surface and a sewing well with a lift that allows you to move your sewing machine from free arm to flatbed position. A sewing cabinet also has a flat surface and a sewing well with a lift that allows you to move your sewing machine from free arm to flatbed position, plus storage features, expandable work surface, and often a collapsible footprint. Many sewing cabinets also feature storage space for sewing machines, sergers, and other larger tools integrated into these cabinets.
A sewing table is compact and portable, making it ideal for small spaces, occasional sewist, or for use as a secondary workstation. Some sewing tables, like the Eleanor and Tasmanian, allow you to vary the height of your tabletop. Others have integrated wheels for easy transport. In general, a sewing table is a simpler, smaller sewing solution than a cabinet. Sewing cabinets come in many shapes, sizes, and configurations. But one thing all cabinets have in common is their ability to store more stuff. From smaller, simple cabinets with a few drawers for storage to full studio-feeling workstation solutions like the Aussie or Sydney sewing cabinet. A sewing cabinet will offer features like built-in drawers, shelves, or bins to help you keep organized, a machine lift to help you easily raise and lower your sewing machine into whatever position you need, and an expandable work surface to provide extra space when you need it, and maintain a home-friendly footprint when you don't. Look for quality materials and workmanship, like real metal hardware, heavy-duty casters, and soft-close drawers. These details make a difference in the longevity of your investment. Look for high-quality materials, generous product warranties, and after-purchase support in case you have any questions or problems. When you're ready to start shopping for the right furniture for your sewing sanctuary, keep in mind how much space you have available in your home. 2. What machine or machines will you be sewing on? Sewing spaces come in all shapes and sizes, and we think they're all beautiful. If you're working in a small area, a bedroom, a dorm room, or a converted walk-in closet, you'll want a smaller cabinet or table. If you have more room to spread out, take advantage of your floor space with a larger cabinet for more storage and workspace. Or pair a small or mid-sized sewing cabinet with additional storage furniture to really outfit your sewing space in style. Investing in the right sewing table or sewing cabinet can transform your sewing experience. Whether you opt for a space-saving portable table or a full-featured cabinet, Arrow Sewing is here to help you choose the one that fits your space, supports your projects, and helps you sew more comfortably and efficiently. Check out our full line at arrowsewing.com and discover your perfect sewing space match. And of course, like and subscribe for sewing tips and tricks, product reviews, and projects. Until next time, from all of us here at Arrow Sewing, wishing you happy sewing.